Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Mazda BT-50 DX single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 4682. This shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 9th month 2011. It has a WLAT, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. WLAT, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with 15-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door, manual door mirror. Left front door has a little bit of surface rust around the window frame. Left hand rear, 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It has a Triple M alloy tray supplied with all bolts and brackets, less sides and gate. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand rear, 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right door has one small dent. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right manual door mirror. And a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. This vehicle has manual window winders. It's fitted with grey cloth interior. Driver's side of the bench seat has a small cigarette hole. Bench seat type center console, manual type, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.